Amazon stock gained 4.26% in the last trading session of yesterday, the 22nd of June 2023, and overall the underlying trend is a strongly bullish one. We also learned that 2 days ago that the US Federal Trade Commission (FTC) sued the company, accusing the company of duping customers into signing up for its Prime service without their consent and sabotaging efforts to undo that subscription. Okay, so the FTC indicated in a heavily redacted complaint filed on that 21st that Amazon had used manipulative, coercive, or deceptive user interface designs known as dark patterns to trick customers into enrolling in automatically renewing Prime subscriptions. The FTC chair, Lina Khan, indicated that Amazon tricked and trapped people into recurring subscriptions without their consent, not only frustrating users but also costing them a huge amount of money, according to her. Amazon called the FTC's claims false on the facts and on the law, and indicated that it was clear and simple to cancel Prime. The lawsuit is the latest salvo against big tech companies such as Amazon, Google, and Meta that have been launched by Khan and other antitrust regulators in Washington as they crack down on what they call anti-competitive and anti-consumer business practices. All of these may have taken a higher gear since Biden took office. Okay, so when it was first indicated in 2005, when it was first introduced in 2005, Amazon Prime cost $79 a year and offered subscribers free 2-day delivery on purchases. It has expanded over the years to offer other services, including a Netflix-like digital video library, music, photos, and gaming. As its offerings have grown, so has the cost, which is now $139 a year in the US. The value of the subscription can vary between consumers depending on services used. Okay, Prime subscription fees account for $25 billion of Amazon's annual revenue, according to the complaint filed by the FTC. Last year, its revenue reached $514 billion. According to Inside Intelligence, Amazon Prime users in the US are set to reach 104.9 million this year, 2023, representing roughly 66% of the US population. Amazon's substantially revamped the Prime cancellation process for some users ahead of this lawsuit that was filed by the FTC. Before it did so, consumers had to navigate a 4-page, 6-click, 15-option cancellation process, according to the complaint. While signing up for the Prime required just 1 or 2 clicks. In May of this year, Amazon agreed to pay $25 million to settle the lawsuit brought by the FTC as well, and the US Justice Department, charging the company with violating children's privacy laws. In the Prime case, the FTC is seeking financial penalties as well as injunctive relief to stop it from having customers. Yes, and we're also seeing here that it is also not just Amazon. There are other retailers that might be targeted, according to Reuters. So what we know for sure is that this is that strong bullish trend we are talking about here. From Amazon, I would say this all began sometime in late, or rather it reached that bottom end of last year, 2022. That was when the bottom was reached at $81.99. So the stock has continued to extend, extending nicely. Hasn't really dropped below its, I would say, 10-day moving average, apart from recently. It just dropped above below that, or it was on that day exactly, I want to believe, or even on that 21st. On the 21st, it had dropped below that 10-day moving average. But even before that, it may have also dropped. So that you can see what happened. The news, led to a decline, and some market players saw that as an opportunity and they bought it, and they drove it up all the way to where it is right now, which is also, I want to believe it's probably close to 52-week high, 130.15. That was where it closed. So there is an upper projection of 134.43 on its on this daily chart. So Let's look at the weekly chart and see what the projection is. Projection is also okay, slightly more, 140.79 on the weekly chart. This is not the 52-week high. Okay, there are even high highs, 185.8. Okay, this is okay, way beyond the 52 weeks. So this is all the way far back 2 years ago. 2 years ago, that was that would be a 1004 high. The 1004 week high is $185.81. So this is the weekly chart. So let's go down to the monthly chart and see what we have. The monthly chart. So we have upper projections of 145, pretty much in line with what the weekly was indicating. And we have next 157 all the way towards 178, 205, and then 281.75 on the monthly chart. So see what you make of Amazon stock, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.